Good evening and welcome to Adventure Sean and the first of many different videos to come from Christmas 2019. I absolutely love the festive season and I'm excited to start it tonight here at Cheshire Oaks Designer Outlet for the lighting up, the big switch on of the UK's tallest Christmas tree at 90 foot tall. I'm looking forward to seeing it get switched on along with some spectacular entertainment and a fireworks display that's being put on tonight by Cheshire Oaks. It's a completely free event to come to. It happens here every year and there's going to be some highlights coming up from the overall event here tonight in this video. Christmas 2019, it's starting right now here at Cheshire Oaks Designer Outlet. Let's go. It's the first time I've ever been to Cheshire Oaks at Christmas and I must say it looks absolutely wonderful. The amount of garlands, wreaths, Christmas trees all around the shopping areas look absolutely wonderful. They're all very classy decorations as well with a really nice feel to them, and the fact you've got a Christmas market going on as well, you can get your bratwurst over there, all your hot chocolates. It looks absolutely fantastic. It's just got a really nice vibe to it. Now in terms of photo opportunities as well, loving the fact that you've got some giant wreaths to stand in, there's giant baubles, sleighs to sit on. Honestly, they've really gone to town here with Christmas, and yeah, if you want to get into the festive spirits, I definitely recommend it. Anyway, I've made my way onto one of the car parks, which is where the event's going to be happening tonight, and there it is, just behind me, the large 90 foot tall Christmas tree, the tallest in the UK, and yeah, it looks absolutely massive next to the stage, so it gives you a bit of an idea on the perspective, on the scale of that tree. About 45 minutes to go until the entertainment's going to be starting. It's all going to be circus themes tonight, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. I believe there's going to be some circus acts on the stage, the local radio stations are down, building up the atmosphere, and then of course the tree will be lit and we'll have a firework display here as well. So highlights coming up over the next few minutes. I'm going to go and get in position quite near to the front so I can get some good footage for you guys. Christmas here at Cheshire Oaks, I'm very impressed so far. Let's get that tree lit up.
We're Leanne and Dave from the Radio City Breakfast Show. That's Leanne.
Hi.
I'm Dave.
Now if you weren't ready to get Christmassy, well boo-hoo you, because it is officially Christmas! So please welcome to the stage, in true Cheshire Oaks style, Back Chat Brass!
Searching in the dark, the sweat soaking through the floor. Fighting, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after.
There's something breaking at the brick of every wall that's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go? When it's covering all the color lights. Wanna go? When it's covering all the color lights. When the runaways are running the night. This is the greatest show.
If the lights are all down, now I'm gonna get you in one way or another. I'm gonna win you. Your bus downtown. Who's around?
All the shine of 1,000 satellites, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be. No, never, never, for me.
Tonight, let this promise in me start. Like a anthem in my heart. You're the one whose eyes will not be blinded by the light. Run now on. What's waiting till tomorrow starts tonight? Starts tonight. Let this promise in. And we will come back home. And we will come back home. Let this promise start like an for the world we're gonna make.
This is me. Here I come, and I'm marching down to the beat I drum. This is me.
I am Bruce, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Here I come. This is me.
It's a one and only Father Christmas.
Love a white beard, don't you, Leanne? Love a white
I
beard.
do. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. The one and only Santa Claus. Santa, are you thrilled to be here tonight?
I'm very thrilled to be here tonight. I can't wait to turn on the Christmas lights. And I've met so many lovely boys and girls already. Hello, everybody!
The tree just over there is 90 foot high and weighs 18 tons. It's got more than 5 miles of fairy lights. Imagine the cable at the bottom when you take it off and all the big dots. Over 100,000 bulbs, 20,000 baubles.
Is anyone asleep yet?
Hey, I'm not finished. You back off, you. go home if you're going to carry on. 1,000 of those are football-sized baubles. He loves it. Now, I'm not finished yet.
Can you all just yawn at Dave for me? Give him the hint. Oh! Should we turn on some Christmas lights? Let's do it!
Hang on! 1.2, no.
Turn his mic off.
Okay, well, let's start the countdown. And because you're playing a game like this, let's start. 999.
Can you all count down from 10? Little people, we need you to be the loudest. Father Christmas, are you ready? Amber, are you ready? She's ready. Let's do this then. Dave.
Are you ready for it, Cheshire Oaks? Get your cameras out. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's on.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me. They can say I've lost my mind. 'Cause every night I'm finding a way. I think the one thing dreams is all it's gonna take. I know what we're gonna make.
Have a great night, Cheshire Oaks.
Merry Christmas!
Well, I must say, that was absolutely awesome. 90 minutes in total, so much going on, and 2 incredible performances as well. Started off with the radio presenters coming on, getting all the crowd geared up, and then you had the band come onto the stage that were brilliant. They did some Christmas songs and also some pop music as well, and put it all together. Sounded great with the drums and saxophone. It was just really nicely put together, very talented people. And then following on from that, we had Cirque. There was like a celebration of The Greatest Showman, and I thought, well, you know, it's probably going to be quite good. However, I wasn't expecting it to be anywhere near of that scale. There was pyrotechnics, there was fire, there was acrobats, CO2 cannons, the full package. It was an absolutely brilliant show. The best Christmas light switch on I've ever seen. And the fact is, it's a free event. There's been thousands of people down here tonight that have come to see it. And then, of course, we had the lighting of the 90-foot tall Christmas tree and also the firework display as well that was all set to music. Really, really impressed. Brilliant show. And I do recommend it in the future. Every year they do something different here, and I was really impressed with what I saw there tonight. I'll definitely have to come again and yeah, come and see that probably every year now. The fact that it's free, I was really, really impressed. Brilliant show. Anyway, I'm going to head over now to the Christmas tree, because you can actually go inside it and you can look all the way up the structure. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing it inside, because it's not very often you can go into a Christmas tree. So I'm going to make my way over there. Again, it's free to do. They are raising money for charity here though tonight, so of course put some pounds in a bucket to support a good cause. But yeah, I'm going to head over there and let's go for a walk inside the Christmas tree. Not exactly too sure what to expect. I mean, are all the lights on the inside as well as the outside? Yeah, I really don't know, but let's go and find out. Here we go, it's time to step inside the 90-foot tall Christmas tree. Look at this, wow. Thousands and thousands of lights all the way to the top of the structure. And you can see Father Christmas himself over here as well. I just got absolutely covered in snow walking through that Christmas tree, but it was more than worth it. Imagine if you're a kid walking through that and looking right up to the top of that 90-foot tall structure. Absolutely amazing. And the fact that we met Father Christmas in there tonight as well, you know, even better, how magical. It was snowing in there, thousands of lights, absolutely fantastic night here at Cheshire Oaks Designer Outlet. If you are coming over Christmas, make sure you have a walk through the tree, go and see all the different decorations. And I must say, if you are coming to a future Christmas light switch on here in the years to come, I definitely recommend it. It's free parking, it's a free night out, and of course loads of shops here to see as well. But there we go, thank you very much for joining me on this Christmas adventure, the first of many that are going to be coming up on this channel over the festive period, so make sure you stay tuned for those. In the meantime, get out there and have your own festive adventures. See you soon.